Sup guys, back with another video, and today we're gonna be showing you the new update. Anyways, let's go to the new map. Alright, once you get into Prop Town, it's right here. And this is the new map. Game mode is tap tag or tap tap tag. And yeah, if y'all haven't gotten the butt coin, I'll show y'all the butt coin dashes. Alright, the first one is right here. The second one up here, right here. The third one right here. There should be a button somewhere, like right there. Fourth one, like pretty sure. Please. Is it? Anyways, it's somewhere in this sewage area. Somewhere on the top. You'll see it at some point. On this side with more bars. Fifth one. Over here. And then over here. And should be like right here in the middle. And yeah, that's all the butt coins. Now I'm gonna just speed this up and show y'all around the map. I'm sick. And this is right here. Here's the tech weapon and stuff. I keep on calling this Blue House 2.0, but broken. And kinda it. Alright, now I'm gonna show y'all where the chainsaw is. So the tech weapon right here, down here, here it is. And that's kind of it for the video, so, well, actually, one more thing. Get this camera, there's a new camera thing, and it's a ball that the camera faces it. So, like, I can make it face right at me. Again, I'm gonna be promoting Video World. Sorry I was so quiet. Just kind of DJ World with pause it. You type it. And this is it. I just bought that. Anyways, that's it. I'm out. Please like this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.